Hello. In this tutorial I am gonna show you how to vectorize your signature. First, sign on white paper, take a picture and open it in Illustrator. Then select your image. Click on Image Trace. Click on Expand. Ungroup your image. Remove white area from your signature. Save your signature as PNG format. You can use your signature anywhere you want.